Welcome back, fam. I'm so happy you clicked on this video. So today on my recipe table I am making fried rice, and this is a Chinese fried rice made with shrimps. It's so delicious and you want to stay with me so that I can take you through this recipe. So then, to begin, I am going to use coconut oil on this recipe, and I'm going to begin with my scrambled eggs. So you want to note on this recipe that I am using a leftover rice from yesterday, which is very important when you are trying to make Chinese fried rice. It's not a must. If you have if you are in a hurry and you think you want to use fresh rice, it's also fine, but it should cool down. All right, so my rice is already stick together, so you will know when we get there. So this is my scrambled egg, and I'm making sure that there is no liquid left or it's not too dry as well. So the next I'm going to do is to fry my shrimps, not fry as fry. Then I'm going to add minced garlic and minced ginger to it. So the next I will add is my onions. So I'm going to fry this for some time or stir it for some time before I add any other ingredients to it. So I'm adding chickpeas and carrots. So these are all the ingredients, the vegetables I'm using on this recipe. Only chickpeas and carrots. So then this is my rice. It's going to take a little bit of time because the rice are stick together and my heat is a little bit high to enable me to do this. So I'm going to make sure that I give it a good stir because I don't want my rice to get burned in any way. Alright? Okay, I'm using a reasonable high heat. Not too high, just a reasonable one. Alright, so then I'm going to keep stirring until my rice becomes okay and free. So at this point, if you're not part of my YouTube fam, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to join my YouTube fam if you really enjoy what I'm doing. Don't forget you are free to click on other videos as well. Thank you. So at this point, I'm adding some chili, which is also very important in Chinese rice or Chinese fried rice. Alright, so yeah. Then the next I'm going to do is make sure that it's well incorporated with my rice or the other ingredients. So this enables me to add my egg, my scrambled eggs. Then the next is to add some sauce. So then I'm going to add soy sauce and also sesame oil. At this point, if the salt in your rice is not enough, you can add a little bit salt to suit you, okay? So then the next is oyster sauce. Then what you want to do, or what I'm going to do, is to make sure it's well mixed or stirred. So then our Chinese fried rice is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you're not part already. So if you have any comments, I'll be glad to see them in the comment section. Thank you for joining me. So until I come your way again next time, here is Rema Healthy Way. It's bye.
natural beauty, making fertility boosting.